I was filming TikToks in my pajamas, eating ramen with exactly 37 followers. Probably half were my mom on different accounts. Zero budget, zero team. Just me, my phone, and desperation. Then boom, one video hit 5 million views, then another. Then my account exploded. How? Not magic. Stealable secrets. Buckle up. Secret number one, the ramen noodle mindset. It's not what you think. Zero budget isn't a weakness. It's your superpower. You're forced to be obsessively human. No flashy graphics? Good. Raw, real, slightly awkward you is the algorithm's crack. People crave connection, not perfection. My viral video, me literally tripping over my cat while explaining a simple life hack. Imperfection equals relatability equals shares. A content scavenger. See that trending sound? Use it, but twist it. Found a popular format? Hijack it for your niche. I didn't invent dances, I did the renegade while demonstrating how to fold fitted sheets. Yes, really. Become a remix artist. It's not stealing, it's strategic borrowing. Relentlessly curious. Watch videos that blow up outside your niche. Why? What's the hook? The emotion? The pattern interrupt? My aha moment came watching a viral video about fixing lawnmowers. The energy? Infectious. I applied that energy to talking about email marketing. Sounds crazy? 2 million views, crazy. Secret number two, hooking them in zero point 0.8 seconds, the scroll stopper formula. Forget slow intros. You have less than a second to make them pause. Here's my battle-tested hook toolkit, the WTF. Visual, start mid-action. Me holding a burning piece of toast screaming, "This is your attention span." Spoiler, it was slightly burnt, totally safe, looked dramatic. Confusion equals curiosity equals no scroll. The you problem, punch. Literally point at the camera. Stop wasting hours on content no one sees. Name their pain point immediately. They feel seen. They stay. The curiosity gap. I found a free tool that got me 10,000 followers. And it's not CapCut. Tease the valuable secret without giving it all away up front. Make them need the answer. The pattern. Interrupt. Whisper when they expect yelling. Stand perfectly still when they expect movement. Sudden silence. A weird prop. Break the expected flow. Freeze frame suddenly. See? Made you look. Secret number three, the algorithm's secret love language. It's not complicated. Stop trying to game it. Speak its language fluently. Consistency is king, but context is queen. Posting daily is great, but if it's random junk, worthless. My breakthrough, niche down harder. Instead of digital marketing, I became the zero-budget organic growth nerd. Every video reinforced that. The algorithm loves knowing exactly who to show your content to. Dance with your data, but don't marry it. Check analytics religiously. Which hooks worked? Which videos had the best watch time? Most important. Which sound boosted reach? Double down on what works, kill what doesn't. My first 50 videos? Flops. Video 51? Hook plus sound plus topic combo from hell? The good kind. Studied why? Replicated the formula. Community equals rocket fuel? Reply to every comment early on. Ask questions in your captions. Do stitches and duets adding massive value. iCompetitor made a great point about hashtags, but here's the zero budget twist. This signals engagement, the algorithm's favorite drug. Build a tribe, not just an audience. Emotion equals amplification. Make them laugh hard. Make them gasp. Make them go same. Make them feel inspired. My biggest viral hit, me genuinely crying happy tears because I hit 100K followers, pure unfiltered joy. Emotion triggers shares. Shares trigger the algorithm's VIP treatment. The real secret weapon, you. All this is just mechanics. The flamethrower, your unique perspective, your weird passion, your genuine desire to help or entertain. My ramen noodle hustle worked because I stopped trying to be Gary Vee and started being my awkward, overly enthusiastic, fitted sheet folding obsessed self. Authenticity, amplified by strategy, is unstoppable. Slow down, eye contact. Look, If I can do this, starting from absolute zero, filming next to a pile of laundry, you absolutely can too. It takes hustle. It takes failing 50 times to find the 51st that works. It takes embracing the ramen life while you build. But the blueprint? It's right here. Your phone is your studio. Your brain is your gold mine. Stop scrolling. Start creating. Your viral moment is waiting. Ready to ditch the ramen for good? This is just the tip of the iceberg. Smash that like button if this fired you up. It tells me you want more secrets. Subscribe because I drop these value bombs weekly. Share this with one friend who needs to hear zero budget is your superpower right now. Seriously, tag them below. Want the full battle plan? I've poured everything into my obsessively detailed educational guides, ebooks, and inspirational manuals. We're talking deep dives on finding your niche, crafting killer hooks, decoding analytics, monetization strategies, and mindset shifts to dominate online. All the stuff I couldn't fit into one video. The link is first one in the description below. Go grab them, devour them, and start building your empire. Your future self, eating something way better than ramen, will thank you. Go be brilliantly, authentically, virally you. I believe in you. Now get out there and set the algorithm on fire. Wink, point at camera. See you in the next one.